National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Jackson County in southern Illinois, east central Perry County in southeastern Missouri, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southwest of Ava, or 13 miles southeast of Chester, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Ava, and Gorham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. At 4 p.m. at Lambert Field, it was partly